This object answers the question of what roles does imagination play in producing knowledge about the world because of what the object represents and the process behind its creation, its prevalence in many cultures, and art forms contributing uh, to cultural knowledge. With the tenuous process of creating this object, exemplifying the history of development and knowledge in certain skills to create what one imagines. When this philosophy was developed, its creators soon realized a symbol was needed so that these ideas could be easily communicated and developed several criteria for one. The symbol needed to represent duality, equality, cyclical nature, and balance and interdependence of opposites in the world. This required many different perspectives, imagining different ideas until a final design was reached in the 3rd century BCE. Afterwards, the spreading of this idea became vital for its followers, and the way to spread abstract ideas is through the use of art. Starting a chain reaction as people found the pattern pleasing to their own interpretations and imagined ways to include it into their art pieces, eventually embedding the symbol into cultures of East Asia, becoming part of the cultural knowledge of these indigenous societies. This object itself has great nostalgic value to me as it has been present since my childhood. Uh, and has moved with us and serves to remind me of the people's tenacity to endure the painstaking to create art out of anything. Glass is not an easy medium to work with, requiring finesse, patience, and endurance to endure the painstaking hot process in which one only has 30 seconds between heatings to mold the glass before it becomes recycled material. It is easy to mass produce these through the use of molds. However, it is still a cumbersome material due to its fragility and sensitivity. Yet people imagined ways to overcome these, creating and learning knowledge to become proficient in this skill.